Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Gmail account default. So, in order for you to fix this, a simple method is just simply go to the settings into your device. And now, here on the settings, guys, just simply scroll down and try to find apps over here. So, here on the apps, just simply select it. And after that, you will have the list of applications installed into your device over here. And now just simply select Gmail over here. Now, here on the Gmail, just simply select storage. Just simply tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. And from there, you should be able to reset the Gmail application. And after that, when you open the Gmail app, just simply sign in into your account to set a new default account and you should be able to fix the issue. And now, another one is just simply go to the there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we'll do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.